Hey guys, welcome back to I don't know what's my channel called. Welcome back to Slime Time. I do not sometimes I do slime, sometimes I do Roblox, sometimes I do different things or something, I don't know. So let's get started. And today I'm gonna be trying my Roblox out. So let's go on Roblox. It might work, it might not. If it doesn't work too bad, I don't know what this video is gonna called. But I need to wait until this all loads or it gets in. I'm gonna go back until this loads, guys. Okay, so I came back. So let me just sit down. Today I'm gonna be showing you how. I'm not gonna show you. I'm gonna tell you reasons do not fall for these scams. Please do not fall for these scams. So let's get started on the scam. So if you want to test this website, like make a fake account, not meant with a real account because I don't want to mess it up. But you could test it with a fake account. And you could test if this is real or not. I'm not going to put my password or nothing. You can tell it's called Free Roblox. It says, Dilemma. All awards should not be given from Roblox Corporation. All the gifts given out are from camping, on this, I don't know, I'm just gonna skip all that. So, 100K visits, wow. It was created by, let's go to his profile. I'm gonna wait, it might take forever, but I don't know, my Wi-Fi slow. But, this is the developer, it's a noob. But let's go on the game. Let's see how the game work. So we go in, and this no other game in Roblox gives you Roblox, but some of them do because some people, YouTubers make them. I'm okay with that. They're not scams, but you have to make sure that do not follow these scams. Or when someone talks to you and tells you want free Robux or what's that called? I forgot what's that called. Builders Club. Yes, Builders Club. Do not say no because they could trick you. Because they tell you to put your password and you go in your account and steal your stuff. Even erase your account too. Whew. But this is loading. While it's loading, we're gonna be talking about scams. With this. So please do not fall for these scams because they are not real Roblox because they told you for your password. Some of them do, some of them don't. They're still fake if they don't ask you. You are being teleported. Please while you move to update server. So that's a little suspicious, but who cares? But and while it's loading again, I'm gonna come back and tell you if it loads or not. Okay, so I came back. So now it's saying rewards, play now. Let's go in. Where's me? Oh, sorry, I look like a noob. Don't judge me, please. I am a noob. Guys could judge me however you want. I'm a knower. No. But sorry what passing without you guys. So when you go in, it shows a obby. And this obby was created, but you could tell there's 7 messages. There's the proof. There's the proof, guys. There's the proof. So let's go in there. Let's go at the top. How do you get Robux? Complete the obby. It's that easy. What do I get my reward? Never mind. I got it. Thanks so much. No problem. Enjoy the Robux. How does the Robux stay? Yeah, until you spend it. OMG, thanks so much. This is so cool. Wow, I'm rich. What? This is actually hard. Yeah, man, it worked for me. Give it a go. It does work. Wow, it actually worked. So, this is fake. Does it work if you play again? No, once you're done, it won't let you it again. I wish I could do this XD. Enjoy, you can. So, you see these people right here? These are fake. My lighting is too bright. See these people? These are actually fake. So, they're not on the server. I'm the only one on the server. So, there's some proof that they're not real people and they're fake accounts. If you want to follow this scam, you could. You have your experience to try. Experience. And these are fake accounts. They're made by the game. But this is not real. So this is where you go. It's like a game that's empty. But there's no one here. It's only me. So when you go in. Okay, now. Are you a robot? Roblox needs to confirm you are not a robot. In order to receive your reward, please pass the login test. So, this is when the scam starts. Facebook sends you a bill. So, this is fake. Do not put your password. It will try to scam you. So, I'm gonna get out of this game because this is really suspicious. And this game should be reported or kicked out because this game could make people really poor and there's actually one person playing. Who's playing the game? Is it me or is it who's playing this game? Is there servers? Yeah, there is servers. Whoa. Friends are in other servers. Let's see, what happens if you refresh? Hello. Okay. I wonder who's playing, but please, whoever is playing here, please, this is a scam. Because I don't want you guys to get in, like, or who is playing the game? Like, need to know. Oh, okay, I don't need to know, but please, this is your opportunity, or whatever it is called. This word's really hard for me to pronounce. But please do not put your password to whoever's playing this game. So, I'm gonna come back. Oh, on Marshmallow, I'll be like that. I'm gonna come back and find more free Robux. Come back. Okay, guys, came back and I switched up. There's a lot of scams in here. You just want to get your Robux. my cat. But let's try this one. I'll be free. Wait, I'll be free. I'm not looking for that. Roblox Tycoon? No, we're not like free Roblox. So let's try this game out and let's see if it's a scam. But it's a scam. But I'm not gonna put my real password. Contact deleted by Nicole Orban 13B. Contact deleted. So this game was the contact was deleted, but we could still join a server. So let's wait for it while we can, but this takes forever. Like how, like in the front page, it's really crusty, dusty, musty, like a 30. And in the game, it looks alright, but suspicious still. But let's keep on waiting. This is taking forever. Oh, okay, let's go out of here. We fight like we are brothers. Boom, 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 doo, 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 doo. This is all for today. I just played one game, but thank you guys. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified when I post something new. Thank you guys. Goodbye.